ready to shake it.
I went deaf on it. Ever since you left me, more money, more cars, more shows. Ever since you left me, more diamonds, more gold, more motion, more. I went deaf on it. I went deaf on it. All I need is one night.
You gon' have to splurge on it.
All I need is one night.
Good in a purse.
I went deaf on it.
Awesome. So, tell me, what did you build tonight?
I built an app that gives businesses ready to actually go into a storefront. So whether you're an e-commerce or an entrepreneur that's been doing pop-ups,
Okay.
this pretty much gets you ready to go into your next step of commercializing.
I built a personal assistant pitching tool for independent artists. And so something that's just kind of like an all-in-one tool, because right now it's just very siloed.
Gotcha.
First, I said the fact that we were able to learn how to build an app was pretty incredible. So we were like, we built an app tonight.
Well, I build what's called a council.
Okay.
And it's for women in executive leadership roles to have a council, a confidential council of confidants to engage when those tough decisions present themselves so you don't feel so isolated and alone.
I built an app where I can showcase, like, all right, instead of thinking about what I want to post online, it's like it's like a roadmap of like, this is what we're gonna post because you're trying to find this goal.
So it already gives you just give it the idea, and it gives you the roadmap.
Yeah, exactly.
On a Tech Tuesday, big moves stacking them blue waves. Game strong, we unlocking new plays. Building the future, switching up the grade.